Hello and welcome to today's video on fundamental analysis in stock market. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about fundamental analysis and how to use it to make informed investment decisions. Fundamental analysis. What are we covering in this series? First, what is fundamental analysis and role in stock market? Second, key indicators of fundamental analysis in detail. Last, conclusion. Let's start by understanding about what is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis evaluates a company's financial health and future potential by analyzing its financial statements, earnings reports, management, and industry trends. This type of analysis is used to determine whether a stock is undervalued or overvalued and whether it has the potential to grow in the future. Advantage of fundamental analysis in stock market. The main advantage of fundamental analysis is that it allows investors to make informed decisions based on the company's financial health, rather than just relying on market trends or speculation. By analyzing a company's financial statements, investors can gain insight into its profitability, debt levels, cash flow, and other key metrics. Key indicators of fundamental analysis. There are several key indicators that investors use when conducting fundamental analysis. These include: earnings per share (EPS) is a measure of a company's profitability, calculated by dividing its earnings by the number of shares outstanding. The higher the EPS, the more profitable the company is. Price-to-earnings ratio. The price-to-earnings ratio is a valuation ratio that compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This ratio is used to determine whether a stock is undervalued or overvalued compared to its peers. Return on equity. Return on equity measures a company's profitability by comparing its net income to its shareholders' equity. The higher the return on equity, the more efficient the company is at generating profits. Debt-to-equity ratio. The debt-to-equity ratio measures a company's financial leverage by comparing its total debt to its shareholders' equity. A high debt-to-equity ratio can indicate that a company is taking on too much debt, which can be risky for investors. Price-to-sales ratio. The price-to-sales ratio is a valuation ratio that compares a company's current share price to its sales per share. This ratio is often used to compare companies in the same industry. In conclusion, fundamental analysis is an essential tool for investors looking to make informed decisions in the stock market. By analyzing a company's financial statements and key metrics, investors can gain insight into its profitability, potential for growth, and overall financial health. By understanding the indicators we covered in this video, you can start to incorporate fundamental analysis into your investment strategy and make more informed investment decisions. We appreciate you viewing our video on fundamental analysis. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. And remember to subscribe to our channel for additional informative videos like this. Thank you.